Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the complete process of setting up your very own donation stand in Please Donate, which actually requires a quick setup outside of the game first. To start, minimize Roblox and open your preferred web browser. Then navigate straight to the roblox.com website and make sure you are securely logged into your account. Look at the top navigation bar and click directly on the Create button to open up the Roblox Creator dashboard interface. Once you are on your dashboard, locate your default public experience, which is usually just named after your username, and click on it to open its specific settings. Now, cast your eyes to the left-hand sidebar menu, scroll down until you see the Associated Items section, and click on it. Then select the tab labeled Passes. Click on the blue Create a Pass button, upload any random image from your device, give your brand new pass a fun or catchy name, and click Create. But wait, you're not quite done yet, because now you need to click on that newly created pass, look back at the left menu, and click on Sales. Toggle the switch that says Item for Sale to the On position, type in the exact amount of Robux you want people to donate to you, and click Save Changes. Finally, close your browser, launch the actual Roblox application, and load directly into a Please Donate server. Walk up to any completely empty wooden booth, press and hold the E key to claim it, and you will see all your priced game passes magically appear on your board, completely ready for players to start donating to you. Subscribe the channel for more videos.